Okay, so decorating the cover. Let's get that ready. So what I did is I cut a piece of that Nina White cardstock that came in the kit down so that there is about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So it's like 4 3/8 by 5 3/4. And I was looking, when the kit comes in the mail, they give you kind of some inspiration. And I was looking at these really cute designs by the different makers. And I really liked this one. So this person, Cindy Norberg, she had taken, let's see if I can get that in there. She has taken the pattern paper and actually stamped on the pattern paper and used that as, you know, the trees, the flowers and the grass, so to speak, and even the little bear's sweater. So I really liked that idea, and I wanted to kind of play off of something like that. So we're gonna get this stamps out of here. And let's see, what I want to do is I want to use the little owl. And this is cool. Look at this. Their stamps come with the other piece of transparency. You're probably getting all kinds of glare. It's attached so you don't lose it. It's right there, which is really nice. So I liked that idea, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. And I wanted to use the owl and the trees. Let's see, let's move that out of the way in case you're getting a glare from that. I can't see, my camera's too high. The owl and the trees, and then, let's see. So I kind of like the way hers is set up, where it's kind of off the page. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit. These are overlapped. And then we're gonna put the owl on the stump here. Oh, I wanted to use the Happy Hearts sentiment. So I'm gonna put that there. And then I was thinking, excuse me, I'm using these little birds. There's 2 little birds in this set. One's one way and one's the other. So maybe putting the little bird in the tree to figure out how to do that, and doing another little bird up here. So this is going to be my cover. Okay. Move this little guy. Well, first let's flip him around so he's correct. So what I'm going to end up doing is, let's see here. I'll have to redo this in the Misty, but so I'll end up with something like that, I think. Okay, so I'm going to, before I start stamping, I want to add a little color to the sky, to the background. So I got out my distressed oxides, and I had faded jeans, stormy sky, and tumbled glass. And looking at the paper, since these papers are kind of muted colors, I decided to go with the faded jeans for the sky, the distressed oxide. So we're going to get some of this and just kind of just put a little bit, not too much. Okay, so we're gonna get this Misty out because there's no way I can do this by hand. None at all. And dry. And we're gonna throw that in here. And then I'm going to realign everything because I want to make sure, I'm going to realign everything because I want to make sure that I have enough room for my little happy hearts, because I want that on the front cover. Okay, so now that I know where everything's gonna go, I'm going to leave this in here and just press it down. Press it down. This is a fresh stamp, so I'm gonna make it so it's not so sticky. So we're gonna try it. We're just gonna go for it. All right, that's half the fun. Oh, you know what else I need? I need a piece of paper. So I'm gonna be dumping embossing powder everywhere. Okay, so this is just a real dark brown ink from Ranger. And we better use the anti-static powder bag here. La 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 la. We're gonna hope that ink's dry, because I didn't test it. It's kind of fun. All right, we're gonna stop there. We're gonna do some clear emboss on the top. Make sure it's all there. Like that. All right. That aside, bring this back in here. Oh, let's clean this up real quick. This is dye ink, so it's gonna stain your stamps, but that's all right. One more time, so I want it a little darker. I thought about doing a no-line watercolor, but I really liked that. I thought the pattern paper was so cute. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's do our little birdies as well. All right. I also want to do the owl again because I think I'm going to pick some of this paper and do his scarf. Stick this in here. And we are going to stamp him again. Lay this tree sideways because we're gonna lay this tree sideways, so we use because I'm going to end up cutting the papers in half this way. So there is a method to my madness. Whether I understand it or you understand it, it's there. It is there, I promise. All right. This is a cute idea to, I think I mentioned in the introduction, you know, you could make something out of one of these kits and give it to a friend. Since the cards are meant to be given away anyways, right? So why not do a whole mini album? And you can give that away as a gift. I have a couple of sets of these. Obviously I got them at Tuesday mornings. These are Firefly alcohol markers, which are not Copics. They are a lot cheaper than Copics. I want to try something really quick though. Let's see, where is that scratch piece of paper? Oh, here. I'm wondering if that would be okay over. It's kind of a brown gray. Yeah, let's do that. Y'all can't see, can you? I'm wondering if I can get away with coloring the tree in. If it'll cover, well, you know what? Even if it doesn't, that's okay. I'm okay with that. That way I don't have to cut it or stamp another tree just for the branch. All right, I won't make you guys watch this. Let me color all these things and cut them out, and I'll be back.